Okay, that unsettling sound you've just heard is actually what damaged knee cartilage sounds like. Cartilage is one of the most crucial yet overlooked parts of our body. It acts like a shock absorber, preventing painful bone-on-bone friction in our joints. Unfortunately, without proper diagnosis, more than 75 million Americans suffer from excruciating pain, reduced mobility, or must resort to invasive surgeries. Something had to change. Allow me to introduce KNEEVOICE, our game-changing technology for early and accurate cartilage diagnosis. Let's see how it actually works. We've made it exceptionally straightforward to use. You place our patented audio sensor on the center of the kneecap and position the sensor to the right. The patient then performs 8 flexions and extensions. Our device captures the sounds, vibrations, and positions of the knee, analyzes them through our advanced algorithms, and in under 5 minutes, we provide a precise diagnosis. By making detection quick and simple, we can enable early diagnosis, prevention, and monitoring of cartilage damage on a wide scale. It's been another year since we last met here, and in some ways it feels like no time at all. Yet looking back, we've achieved a great deal. Progress that might not seem obvious at first glance, but is truly remarkable. Last year, we secured additional funding to help us bring our device to market. This investment propelled us forward, allowing us to focus on critical development and our go-to-market strategy. One of the greatest achievements was bringing our manufacturing and QMS processes entirely in-house. By taking complete control of both the hardware and the software, we've ensured a higher standard of quality and consistency. It was a major undertaking, but seeing those first units come off the line was truly something. We're now producing devices successfully and are ready to scale production to much larger demands. We have been conducting preclinical trials at renowned institutes like the Cedars-Sinai, Cullen Jobs, and we've done over 100 patients, and the results so far have been phenomenal. This gives us the confidence and proof that the device works as intended. These findings lay a solid foundation for our next steps. On the regulation front, we've recently completed yet another pre-sub, and we plan to submit our full application this quarter. If all goes according to plan, we expect to achieve clearance by the end of the year. All of this couldn't be possible without a truly exceptional team. Gustavo, a seasoned tech executive with a talent for strategic thinking and over 25 years of experience. Dr. Leal, an orthopedic surgeon, Harvard Medical School fellow, bringing vital clinical insights. Me, Felipe Rigby, I hold a master's in systems engineering and more than 20 years of experience. And of course, we're also supported by an inspired team of advisors, engineers, product designers, and clinicians who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Now, to elevate our go-to-market plan, we've welcomed a group of seasoned industry leaders. Jerry brings over 25 years of experience in the medical device sphere, particularly in orthopedics with management roles at Smith & Nephew. Todd, an accomplished marketing and sales general manager, has spent the last 3 decades leading 3 of the world's largest orthopedic companies, franchises like Zimmer Biomet. Also from Zimmer, Brad, who brings 34 years of experience in the medical device industry as a development engineer and product manager, ensuring devices reach the market on time and on budget. We're fortunate to have a world-class advisory board with members from FIFA, Cedars-Sinai, Zimmer Biomet, and Stryker. They hold key positions in both the US and international committees. Suffice to say, we have a stellar circle of expertise guiding us. To truly understand the impact of KNEEVOICE, let's hear directly from those who will use our device because this really speaks volumes about how our journey, our product, and where we're heading.
I have used the KNEEVOICE in my clinical practice, and I found it really very interesting. For one, patients love it. They love the immediate feedback. They want to know their score. They want to know how they're doing. It really engages the patient in their own care, which is a tremendous thing for any tool to be able to do. But beyond that, it really gives meaningful and useful data that you can employ to help direct therapy and recovery, or to counsel about how someone's doing and how they might anticipate doing in the future. So it's very, very helpful, both from the data that you collect and also from the standpoint that it engages the patient. Patients love this. They truly look forward to it, and they want to know their score. So they become part of the dynamic, which is good for everybody.
That was Dr. Robert Hunter, previous ANA president. Through extensive discussions with leading experts in the field, we've confirmed that KNEEVOICE is not just a new device, it's essential. The validation from these key opinion leaders underscores the critical need to have this device for early cartilage diagnosis. We started off in the knee, but we have our sights set for the jaw, the hip, and the ankle. Okay. Last year, we opened a seed round for $1 million, which was oversubscribed. We have extended that round to 1.7. Right now, we have about 450,000 pending on that round. So please come and join us in the cartilage revolution. Thank you, everyone.